Check the date. I bet you can't believe what today is. Like what? How? That's impossible. No way. Time flies, life is constantly moving, and that's why we have to start appreciating it. By the end of this video, you'll start to value your time more than you value money. Because time is money. Time is irreplaceable. Money's just in circulation, going out and coming back in. Time just goes out. I used to take all my relationships for granted, my friendships, playing sports, just acted like it would be there forever, not really cherishing the moments. You know when you think like, man, I wish I could just go back to high school, go back to college, hang around all my boys again, get to play, get to score, get to relive those moments. We only want to relive them because we took them for granted, and we're not doing what we're passionate about now. So the only way we can forgive ourselves for our past mistakes, for taking each moment for granted, is to start living right now passionately, doing the things that we love, cherishing the people that we get to spend time with, being grateful for each moment. Because time is irreplaceable, time is money. By doing the things that you love, by being in the moment, not thinking about the past, that's already written in stone. Learn from it and be in the now. That's how we let go and move forward. By seeing and being grateful for what's right in front of us. That's abundance, baby. Let's get it. That's time is money. Time is valuable. More valuable than money. So who do you want to spend your time with? How do you want to spend your time? Who do you want to be while you spend this time? Yeah, you're spending time. You're spending it. You're not getting it back. Money, it goes out, comes back in. Trust me, I promise. You never know when you're going to get the big bucks. But you got to start living passionately now. You got to start doing the things that you love. Being around the people that you enjoy. Time is too valuable to be living grouchy, grumpy, angry. I used to be this person. For a long time, I was that angry grump. That's what my family called me, grumpy. I don't know why I was living that way. Probably because I was holding on to all my past failures, all these past events, and suppressing those emotions. Not looking at what's right in front of me. Too insecure because of things that happened in my past instead of moving forward and looking at all the things that I have going on around me and all the good around me. Cherish these moments. Cherish the people that you do get to spend time with. Time is valuable, time is money. I'm gonna say it all day. Time is the most valuable thing in your life. No matter what, no matter who you are, time is the most precious thing that we have. Let's use that time wisely. Let's start valuing our time over money. Now you're gonna really prosper. That's abundance, I'm telling you. Look around you. The grass is green right now. When you start valuing your time, appreciating life, that's gonna put you in a more positive spirit. This positive spirit attracts wealth, attracts health, attracts a good life. I'm telling you. Go from angry to happy. You're attracting happiness by valuing your time, appreciating yourself, appreciating what you do, not slaving for everybody else around you. Your time is valuable. Use it wisely. Are you spending it with the people that you want to be spending it with? Are you doing the things that you want to do? Do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do. But you got to start going in that direction now. Time is amazing. Time is irreplaceable. Time is valuable. Time is also amazing. We all have it. It's the capital that we do have. Here's a quote. The bad news, time flies. The good news, you're the pilot. You can direct your life in whatever direction you want. You can fly in whatever direction you want to go. You can be the person you want to be. You just have to steer that plane in the right direction. Start going towards your goals. And cherish the times that suck. Because this journey is the best part. Striving for something greater. Once you get there, that's going to be boring. You'll have to strive for something even greater than that. Time is amazing. That's why we can't waste it. There is no wasting time. If you fail, life is constantly moving. That'll be gone and forgotten in a week, in a day. Move on. Learn from it, grow from it. That's the real stuff. Every day we get a new experience. We get to learn something new. That's growth. That's new wisdom. That's why time is amazing. That's compound interest on your life, on your personal growth. Every day is new. Time is money. Cherish your life, cherish your surroundings, cherish everything around you. I had to get this video out here because, I don't know, I was in my feelings this morning and I'm just thinking like, man, I'm grateful for the time that I've been given. I'm grateful for all the blessings around me. Time is amazing. Time is important. Lil Wayne said it best. Today is a gift. That's why they call it the present. Be in the present. I tell my clients, when you're on vacation, be on vacation. When you're at home, be at home. When you're at work, you're at work. Cherish each and every moment. Because we're growing, baby. Remember, I'm here to ignite your passion. Be you and be different. Time is money, so use it wisely. Go after your goals and crush them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And pass it along. Somebody that needs to start valuing their time. Peace, one love.